What's going on, guys? As you can see by the title here, we are getting into some day trading. That's been something I want to do for a while here. I just kind of wanted to, I guess, set myself up financially so I could, kind of have the spare funds. Right off the bat, as some of you know, I am a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I don't need you bitching and complaining in the comments down there about how you lost money. This is money I am okay to lose. This is high risk, high reward. I do not recommend just jumping into the markets like this. Do your due diligence and understand the risks involved. And if you still don't feel comfortable, you might want to hit me up because I'm looking for new clients, and you might just have the right advisor here for the job, trying to get you that long-term goal. This is definitely not stuff I'd use for something like a down payment on a house, a new car purchase, anything like that. But once you set yourself up where you are comfortable and can kind of diversify your money, this could be a fun option. I mean, it's kind of like the casino, but you can sit at home in your pajamas and stare at a screen, and somehow you're gaining and losing thousands of dollars every second. Let's jump into this bad boy. This is day one of turning my memes into dreams. So as the title says, we're starting out with 10K US. Pretty much as you can see here, I set up a separate account with roughly 10K. Might have been a few dollars over, but too lazy to change that. The markets were fire today. And I will jump into it. I only had 2 trades today, trying to make it easy, get in, get out. And yeah, trying to make that money. The whole goal, I guess, of this, if I had to put it down, I'd love to double my money. 100% return would be the dream. Boomers beware, you're in for a scare with these kind of returns. But yeah, I mean, I could blow up the whole account tomorrow. It's the way of the game. Yeah, I mean, I started this morning. I sanded down my already smooth brain and put on my tinfoil hat. So I was ready to go there. Jumped into the magic world of Wall Street bets, and there we were. So I'm going to jump you quickly into the trades and how I did it so you can get a bit more technical side, if you even care about that. And yeah, let's get in.
So yes, diving into our first stock, there is GNU's here. If we look back at the 1 year chart, you can see that this is like the day trading dream right here. You got some of these, they'll go down, bounce up, go down. You got these bad boys popping up all over the place. I mean, it's truly a dream as far as that goes. But you can see recently here, I mean, we have had some lows even lower than what we got here. But once it kind of breaks through the EMA, you can see this aggressive uptrend, and it's what we're looking for in the sense. Like we've had this long time downtrend in a sense, but this is our first super bullish green candle. I decided to swing this overnight. I'm still debating if that was a good idea or not. But as you can see, even within the 1 month period here, I mean, this was trading at about $2.09. Even just to get up, around this EMA window here at like $1.80, $1.70 there, that would be big money. It would be a nice percentage. It would be a good first solid trade to kind of get this account. I mean, we're going for 100% returns. So we're going to have to be getting some bigger accounts. It's just kind of one of them that return there. I mean, you can even look at the relative strength index. We were super oversold at this sense here. Really wish I started this, this journey yesterday. Would have made things a lot easier, but here we are, capitalizing on the opportunities we have every day. I mean, every day in the market, you got a chance to make money, so we're trying to bank off that. And yeah, I will throw up this trade in the corner right here, just so you can lock it in. This does take into effect the $9.99 that TD takes from my pockets every time I trade. Thanks a lot, TD. I feel really warm and fuzzy inside, knowing all my money's going to you guys. Yeah, and let's jump into the big bad boy here. So, jumping into the company that we aren't allowed to say their name for monetization purposes is the wonderful you know what. So yeah, looking at this big bounce up here, I mean, we can see, like, a lot of people said there was a pump. You can call it how you like. Either way it goes. Once we broke through this kind of EMA, we shot up in a sense. The nice thing in this idea of how this has worked is there was a big resistance here at 60 and then 50 right around here, and it progressively dropped down. So as you can see, you could make almost like a curved line in a sense, showing how the thing decided to drop. At this point, we finally broke through, and looking at short-term EMAs, it also broke through right around the $37, $38 mark. I managed to buy in today on a bit of a dip originally at $38. It was, I mean, it was a bit of my plan. It was a bit on the lunch break, so it was my only opportunity. I managed to, it started climbing up here, and I managed to get in right around here. So I saw it hit, I saw it jumping up here. I was a little worried at first that it wouldn't break through that $40 mark. but I know how hungry those diamond hand apes are, and just with the way the market's been going, I thought might as well take a chance. This may have to skyrocket up kind of thing. I didn't look at it through most of the rest of the day, but I did manage to pull about 13% out of this trade day one, so super stoked on that. You know, hoping for big moves tomorrow. It seems like when this thing starts to rocket, it continuously rocket, but here's the trade off that one. So this was definitely my the bread and butter today, and excited to see what tomorrow brings.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new, and if anything, that you know there is opportunity to make money in this market. There's also opportunity to lose everything you've ever loved and cared for in this market. So weigh the pros and cons and go from there. But that's how day one went for us there. I'm probably going to do recaps every few days because sometimes the market just isn't moving, kind of boring. I might forget to upload like I have a lot of other times on this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you stay safe, stay Sendy, and I will see you in episode 2.